Hey everyone! In today's video we're going to be unsticking a door lock. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's a lock set from the door that leads from the garage into the house. And one of the issues we've been having lately is that it will unlock just fine. You can see that there when we turn that button. But when we try to lock it, it gets stuck. And that's true on the other side too when we put the key in. You have to turn it very forcefully to try to get it to lock. And sometimes you have to wiggle the handle to get it to move. There you go. So I removed the two screws here, then I separated the two halves of the lock set, and the button turns just fine. So that means that the problem lies right here in the cylinder. To fix lock cylinder issues, one suggestion on a forum I used to frequent for cars was to use graphite powder. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a try. I got this at my local Lowe's, and all you do is just shake this up, remove the cap, and then just press on the center here and squirt it into the hole. Alright, let's take a look, see if that might have freed it up a little bit. Seems like it did. I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Yeah, that's much better. So you may have to do that several times to really free that up, but that's definitely much better than it was before. I might try putting a couple more puffs in there to see if that does a trick and solves our problem. Hopefully that information was useful, and thanks for watching.